Welcome back to Healthy Habits Hacks. Have you ever wondered how a simple vitamin could impact your health in so many profound ways? Today, we're diving deep into vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, and uncovering 5 surprising benefits that go beyond just bone health. Whether you're new to the channel or a returning viewer, get ready to be amazed by what vitamin D can do for your body. And don't forget to stay tuned until the end for a special tip on preventing kidney stones from our previous video. Let's jump right into it. Benefit 1. Promotes strong bones and teeth. Are you concerned about keeping your bones strong and healthy as you age? Vitamin D isn't just about calcium. It's the key to ensuring your bones stay resilient and fracture-free. How does it work exactly? By helping your body absorb calcium and phosphorus efficiently, vitamin D supports bone mineralization and prevents conditions like osteoporosis. Vitamin D enhances the absorption of calcium in your intestines, helping to maintain adequate serum calcium and phosphate concentrations to enable normal mineralization of bone and to prevent hypocalcemic tetany, a condition causing muscle cramps and spasms due to low calcium levels. Without sufficient vitamin D, bones can become thin, brittle, or misshapen. Additionally, together with calcium, vitamin D helps protect older adults from osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition where bones become weak and brittle, making them more susceptible to fractures. It's a major public health problem, particularly in postmenopausal women. Several studies have shown that vitamin D can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. For instance, research published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research has shown that vitamin D supplementation improves bone mineral density and reduces fracture risk, especially in older adults. But it's not just about the bones. Your teeth also benefit from adequate vitamin D levels. Vitamin D plays a role in dental health by reducing the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. It does this by enhancing the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining healthy teeth. Additionally, vitamin D has antimicrobial properties that help reduce the bacterial load in your mouth, further protecting your teeth and gums. Scientific reference. Research published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research has shown that vitamin D supplementation improves bone mineral density and reduces fracture risk, especially in older adults. Benefit 2. Boosts immune system function. Ever wondered how some people seem to breeze through cold and flu season without a hitch? It might just be their vitamin D levels. Did you know that vitamin D plays a crucial role in bolstering your immune system? From fighting off infections to regulating inflammatory responses, vitamin D ensures your body stays resilient against various pathogens. Vitamin D modulates the innate and adaptive immune responses. Deficiency in vitamin D is associated with increased autoimmunity as well as an increased susceptibility to infection. Vitamin D receptors are expressed on immune cells, and some of these cells can synthesize the active vitamin D metabolite. The vitamin D receptor is expressed by most cells of the immune system, including monocytes/macrophages, T cells, and B cells. It has a significant impact on the immune response. For example, it induces the expression of antimicrobial peptides in immune cells, which play a key role in the immune defense. Vitamin D also suppresses inflammatory processes, which is essential in preventing chronic inflammation that can lead to various diseases. Studies have shown that vitamin D can reduce the risk of acute respiratory tract infections, which include illnesses such as the common cold, influenza, and pneumonia. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in BMJ found that vitamin D supplementation was safe and protected against acute respiratory tract infection overall. The protective effects were more significant in those with severe vitamin D deficiency. Scientific reference. Studies highlighted in nutrients demonstrate vitamin D's ability to enhance immune function and reduce the risk of respiratory infections, backed by robust scientific evidence. Benefit 3. Supports heart health. Concerned about your cardiovascular well-being? Wondering how you can protect your heart for years to come? Vitamin D isn't just about bones, it's a powerful ally for your heart health too. From lowering blood pressure to reducing inflammation in blood vessels, vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal cardiovascular function. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension, heart failure, and ischemic heart disease. One of the mechanisms by which vitamin D can influence cardiovascular health is through its role in the regulation of blood pressure. Vitamin D helps maintain the balance of calcium in the blood, which in turn regulates the contraction and relaxation of blood vessels. This helps keep blood pressure in check. Additionally, vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the inflammation of the blood vessels, a condition known as vascular inflammation. Chronic vascular inflammation is a significant risk factor for atherosclerosis, a condition where the arteries become narrowed and hardened due to the buildup of plaque, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition underscores the role of vitamin D in improving cardiovascular outcomes and reducing the risk of heart disease. The study found that individuals with adequate vitamin D levels had a lower risk of developing cardiovascular diseases compared to those with deficient levels. Scientific reference. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition underscores the role of vitamin D in improving cardiovascular outcomes and reducing the risk of heart disease. Benefit 4. Enhances mood and mental health. Ever noticed a change in your mood during darker months? Curious about how vitamin D might influence your emotional well-being? Beyond its physical benefits, vitamin D is linked to serotonin production, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. Low levels of vitamin D have been associated with mood disorders like depression and seasonal affective disorder, SAD. Vitamin D receptors are present in many parts of the brain, including areas involved in mood regulation. The vitamin has been shown to affect the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in mood regulation. Low levels of serotonin are associated with depression and other mood disorders. By boosting serotonin levels, vitamin D can help improve mood and reduce the risk of depression. Seasonal affective disorder, SAD, is a type of depression that occurs at certain times of the year, usually in the winter, when there is less sunlight. This condition has been linked to low levels of vitamin D due to reduced sunlight exposure. Supplementing with vitamin D can help alleviate the symptoms of SAD by compensating for the lack of sunlight and boosting serotonin levels. Research in the Journal of Affective Disorders and Frontiers in Neurology suggests that vitamin D supplementation can alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety by enhancing serotonin production. The studies found that individuals with higher levels of vitamin D had a lower risk of developing mood disorders and experienced an improvement in mood after supplementation. Scientific reference. Research in the Journal of Affective Disorders and Frontiers in Neurology suggests that vitamin D supplementation can alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety by enhancing serotonin production. Benefit 5. Reduces risk of chronic diseases. Concerned about your long-term health? Wondering how you can reduce your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and certain cancers? Vitamin D isn't just a bone booster, it's a potent protector against chronic conditions. From enhancing insulin sensitivity to regulating cellular growth, vitamin D plays a vital role in disease prevention. Stay tuned to learn how optimizing your vitamin D intake could safeguard your health for years to come. Scientific reference. Meta-analyses published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism and Annals of Oncology highlight vitamin D's protective effects against various chronic diseases, including cancer and autoimmune disorders. Now that you've uncovered these 5 surprising benefits of vitamin D, make sure to hit that like button if you found this information enlightening. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or questions about vitamin D. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Conclusion. As we wrap up today's discussion, remember that vitamin D is more than just a nutrient. It's a vital component for maintaining your body's overall health and vitality. By prioritizing your vitamin D intake through sunlight exposure, dietary choices, or supplements, you're investing in your long-term well-being. And speaking of investments in health, be sure to check out our previous video on 10 foods that lead to kidney stones for essential tips on maintaining urinary health. Thank you for tuning in today. We appreciate your support. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and stay connected with Healthy Habits Hacks.